Hi, I'm Lionel, and today we're going to be making Snow Fairy Lights Gift Bath Bomb. I'll also be signing in ASL down in the corner as we go. Gwen will be our fairy compounder today. What makes this one so sweet and magical? Well, let's go find out. First, we blend together the dyes for the pink star. So its vibrant shell dissolves into a neon spectacle the moment it hits your water. Then, we add ethically sourced essential oils to give it that sweet cotton candy scent that Snow Fairy is known for. Once those are all mixed together, then we add them to sodium bicarbonate. Really, our fancy name for baking soda. Sprinkle in our plastic-free luster, and then our shell is ready for the mold. We then move on to our starry lid, which goes through all the same steps as our shell, but to this formula, we also add a little bit of bubble mix to help keep your water and skin feeling silky soft. When our lids and shells are ready, it's time to put everything together. Tiny, tiny bath bomb confetti are placed inside each shell to create a sea of floating fairy lights in your bathwater. Then, the lid is placed on top, and voila! Snow Fairy Lights is ready to be sent to our shops. And really, the best part about this one is you can toss the whole thing into your tub or savor each section over 3 separate baths. Guaranteed to make all your Snow Fairy wishes come true. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and leave a comment below to let us know what How It's Made video you'd love to see next. Thank you. Gotta have some fun with it, right?